One thing I really like about this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundation is that it's breathable, so you can see that it doesn't 100%, it's not 100% full coverage, which I honestly prefer. I like to look like a human being and not like a totally plastic full coverage face kind of a look. So I really like that about it, and it matches my skin really well. It went on really smooth, and so far I just noticed too, it also has a broad spectrum sunscreen of SPF 25, which is always a good thing in my book. Let's go ahead and apply the rest of the makeup and see how it looks.